That's a zombie. Get out of here, man. Dude, let's go. I can't believe we're doing Boy Scouts. Our whole summer is ruined now.
Yeah, Sean, how do you even get us into Boy Scouts in the first place?
No, yes. No. Easy. Right? Yes. No. No! No! Ah! Oh! What?
Are you up there again? Are you kidding me?
I wasn't.
Sean, it's the last day of summer. You've been up here all summer long. You know, you're not going to do this next year.
It won't happen again, alright? Come on.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Sean, come on. I'm done watching you play video games. That's it. You know what? You're going to join the Boy Scouts.
Come on, Mom. I'll stop playing video games, I promise, alright?
Alright, fine, Sean, but this is my last warning, okay? If Dad finds out, that's it. You're in real trouble.
You're kidding me. You're playing video games again. And this is all you ever do. You're not doing this all summer. Forget it. You know what? I'm calling Boy Scouts. You're doing Boy Scouts for the summer. You're not sitting here in the attic playing video games for months. That's it.
I'm sorry, guys. Just love video games way too much, man.
Well, guys, let's at least try to have some fun.
Well, how's that even possible, guys?
I have an idea. Why don't we just go camping?
Hey, you know what? Yeah. Sounds like a good idea, huh?
Well, guys, actually, I kind of have a class that night.
Dude, are you serious? What type of class?
Hey, Hope. Yeah, I just wanted to ask you a question. Will you go out with me? You only like guys that cook. Every girl likes guys that cook. Screw you. It's not important.
Well, how are we supposed to get there?
Don't worry. I know how to drive.
Ah.
Oh. You all ready?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go put my bag in the back real fast.
Alright, man.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Yes, let's go. Alright. Alright, we're all good.
All good?
Yep. Go. Oh, what's my song?
Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she
Hey Sean, why does Ian have a cookbook in here? Alright, I'm gonna go get some firewood and you put up the tent. Alright?
Alright, sounds good.
Alright. Sean?
Get the firewood?
Oh yeah, I got it. But you do know there's instructions for that, right?
Where so hungry. The cookbook said that these were good. I might as well just eat a few. Something the matter. Can't see. Where are they? I can't see. Hey, hello. Is this Miss Blackmore? Yeah, I just want to know where Jake and Sean went camping. In the woods? That's really descriptive. Where in the woods? Alright, that's better. Thank you. Bye.
Yo, so did you get that new Call of Duty?
Yeah, dude. I do like 360 no scope.
What the hell?
Dude, do you see that? That's a zombie. Dude, get out of here, man. Dude, let's go. Dude, what do we do?
Dude, I'm getting out of here.
No, wait, I can fight him.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Trust me. You got this. Dude, I think we killed it. Nice! Yes! Dude, I think that's Ian, right? Dude, is that Ian?
Oh, Ian.
Oh man, I just absolutely destroyed him.
Dude.
Oh man. Dude,
Dude, it's a zombie.
no, it's Ian. Yeah, so Ian, sorry for punching you in the face. We thought you were a zombie.
Should we take him to a hospital?
Yeah, he'll be fine. Yeah, so Ian, can you show us some of that cooking?
Yeah, man.
Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more.